Mabuhay, we are Group 1.
On our field, which is entitled Curriculum, we have a total of 5 teams, adding the opening and ending sessions. Each part of the field has a own running time. The running time is 45 seconds. Team 1. Scene 1, which is the introduction. The running time is 1 minute. Scene 2, which is the story. The running time is 1 minute and 30 seconds. Scene 3, which is the realization. The running time is 1 minute and 30 seconds. And scene 4, which is the climax. The running time is 1 minute and 30 seconds. Scene 5, which is the tree. The running time is 1 minute. Ending film. The running time is 1 minute and 30 seconds, which makes our film has a total running time of 8 minutes and 45 seconds. On the second activity, which is entitled Opening Credits Bucket, it says, watch or recall the film opening and identify what it is first. On our case, the film that we recalled is entitled My Husband is a Master Boss.
In short, the opening credits shows the film's title. Then the female and male leads are shown and the screen along with the director of the film.
The next shown in the first, sa pagbukas ka lang talaga ng opening credits, ang makikita mo na sa screen, sa screen is yung title ng film, which is My Husband is a Master Boss. Fading out, mag-fade in ang clips ni Ren Escano, which is the female lead actor sa My Husband is a Master Boss. Fading out again, mag-enter na po ang clips ni Joseph Mario as ang main lead. Ang pagsunod-sunod sa iba ng clips, it shows the other backup characters or sa mga mag-follow ang mga clips sa backup characters kung sa mga name nila. At the end, sa opening credits, ang makita dito is ang director of the film, which is Pip Solomon, along with the production team and crew. Tapos sa taas makita ang network na Viva One. Second is music images or scenes shown. The opening shows an introduction of the main characters, followed by the latter shot of the scenes of the first episode. Ang music is played during the opening. Sa opening po niya, like I said kanina, mag-shows ang main character o ang mga main character o mga characters. Every shot, ang madunggan mo sa iyahang music is not like an intense, hindi siya intense music, which is the kabaligtaran sa iyahang title. Ang opening music din niya is lively and joyful ang iyahang music din.
It presents the current progress of our group's film project entitled Curriculum. It helps us see which parts of the film have already been completed and which parts still need to be worked on.
The main idea of curriculum is about trust and confidence. The story shows trust is fragile and that even a person who is knowledgeable or trustworthy can disappoint according to the task. It also highlights how expected situations can test relationships and make people question who they can rely on.
film currently has a running time of approximately 8 minutes and 45 seconds. This shows that our group has already completed a large portion of the movie and has made significant progress with the filming and editing.
Part the opening credits have already been released. This includes the recording part of the film that presents the title card for the story to be having this information we can focus more on completing the actual story.
Still working, 5 scenes and ending credits. There are still 5 scenes that our group needs to be complete. We also need to finish the ending credits, which will be shown at the conclusion of the film. These are our remaining tasks before the movie can be considered completion.
This room, which is what can you suggest in order to make sure that the ending of our short film better shows its message to everyone. Ang main ang main point sa among film, ang main na key point sa among film is that trust is fragile. Like, dili ka ng tao masaligan nimo. Like, bisan ka ng best friend nimo, dili ka kabalo nga naa na di siya ginahimo nga lain sa imong ikod. Wala ka kabalo nga katong secret nga imuhang git, katong secret nga imuhang git imong sa iya nga kanang kabalog ka ani nag-spread na siya like wildfires to everyone niya close to niya. It also show just like this sentence. This film shows that sometimes even the one of the trusted people in life will betray in any situation. So what can you suggest? What can you suggest in order to make sure that the ending of our short film better shows its message to everyone? Yung ending sa namang short film nyo is kanang clear siya, and then maybe you should add also kanang clarity. I don't want sad endings or anything. Okay, medyo kahit siya marang dito din yung concept, but it's not appropriate for sad endings.
If you want a suggestion, I would say na we would like some closure if ever na ako yung mga pagkabandod dira sa short film video. I would love a little bit of closure or message at the ending, as you said, mamaraga ingon, so that's what happened, but I want that kind of theme words na going on